Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Enhancement tab is missing in the speaker properties on Windows 10. So if you're not noticing this tab in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by actually opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel listed right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. You want to set your view by to large icons and then select Programs and Features. If you see an item in here called Con EXANT Smart Audio, so Connext Smart Audio, you want to just remove it, so uninstall it. And then you would restart your computer and then it would be reinstalled, assuming that you have plugged your device in. So if you have your speaker unplugged, take it out and then plug it back in before the computer boots back up. Another thing you can try here, if you're using a Realtek audio speaker, if you close out of here, would be to open up the Start menu and type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager listed right above Control Panel. So go ahead and left click on that. You want to expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controller section and right click on whatever the audio device listed under here is and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. We're just going to select whatever the recommended one is here and then select Next. Select Yes again, and once it's done, close out of here, restart your computer, and then that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.